I just got a letter from the county assessors. I'm so excited to open it. What could it be? Oh my gosh! My house got reevaluated. My house got a raise. It's worth more money. Yes! Wait a minute. What is this? I owe more money. My taxes have gone up. Well, that's not cool at all. How much did they go up here? 38%. 38% increase in value from the last tax assessment. Remember, this happens every odd year here in the state of Colorado. But what does this mean to you? Let's take a quick look at this map. You're going to see all of the different areas where your property taxes increase and about what they're going to increase, probably 30 to 50%. If you look at my area, Pleasant Valley here in Colorado Springs, it says it's going to go up over 40%, but it only went up 38%. So I don't know exactly how accurate this map is, but it's pretty close. Now my taxes went up $120 every month. The real question here is, what does that mean to me? What does it mean to you if you're buying, selling, or keeping the house you have? So at $120, if I were to be, going out and buying a house, what that means is I might qualify for less of a mortgage, less house. And to put it in simple terms, at today's interest rates, that $120 a month, that's about $20,000 in buying power and purchasing power. So now I'm buying less of a house with that property tax increase. Something to keep in mind. The other part of that is you need to reach out to your loan officer if you've already been pre-approved. If you're kind of on that fine line on your debt to income ratios or on the whole mortgage, reach out to them and say, hey, look, with this new property tax increase, is it going to impact my pre-qualification? That's if you're buying a house. Very important to do. But we want to look at two other categories. What if you're selling a house and what if you're keeping your house? Well, if you're selling your house, it actually has some implications on you as well. Now, keep in mind that what you just received in the mail is just an estimate. The actual mill levies will be finalized at the end of this year, and you're going to see the actual finalized tax amount at the beginning of this next year. But when you go to sell your home, if you do it before taxes come due, if the box that's checked most recent mill levy, you may find that you're paying part of the 2023 taxes, even though you're selling your house before taxes are due. In the state of Colorado, we pay taxes in arrears. Now let's talk about if you're just keeping your house. You already bought the house, you're not selling the house, you're gonna live in the house and keep the house. How does this impact you? Of course, we talked about the $120, right? So my house payment's gonna go up $120. But there's another element that you wanna look at here. When you make your payment to your mortgage company, part of that is your taxes and your insurance. Well, when the mortgage company goes to pay that next year, they're not going to have enough money in the escrow account. They're going to be short by hundreds of dollars, but they're still going to make that payment. However, they're going to come back to you as the homeowner, and they're going to say, yeah, Tim, this is great. We paid that, but you're going to have to make up for this $120 a month. In fact, not only do we have to increase your payment by $120 a month, we have to make up for what we already had to pay, and we have to still build up your escrow. So now my payment may not go up $120, it may go up $200. It may be that way for a year. Or my mortgage company may give me the option and say, hey, look, Tim, we're short $500 or $600, whatever it is. You can just write a check for that, and then we're only going to increase you $120. But keep this in mind, that probably won't happen right away. In fact, it may not happen until taxes are coming due and they go out and pay that. So don't be shocked when your house payment goes up. If you have any questions at all, if you're a buyer, seller, or homeowner, call your mortgage guru, call your real estate agent. If you're a real estate agent, call your clients. Let them know. And remember, even though that this is a preliminary kind of estimate, you can still contest this. Get with your real estate agent, get with your real estate professional, have them help you, and go ahead and see, is this property value actually legitimate or not? I'm Tim Chase with 719 Lending.